Okay, hi. I can't say I'm completely prepared for this, but I'm going to mix some more color. A flip cup or a ribbon pour, or even maybe spoon it. I'm going to use a little silicone in the bottom. This is yesterday's painting and a video part 1. And it's upside down to me, but it's not to you. You can see what I'm talking about. There's just too much of this foreground for me. And I played with it digitally this morning, and I decided to try and add a foreground, like maybe standing on a bluff looking at this picture. So I am going to move this back for a minute. Put some of that silicone in the bottom of this cup. Little spritz. I took out some colors. And I'm going to just start with gold because I can. And I almost never use silver, but I want a gray. I don't know what this is going to look like, and if it doesn't work, I'm going to wipe it off. That's my plan. And I've just run out of things to say. I'm going to put a little bit of that in there. I'm probably going to stir this around because I'd like some selling action. Using colors that I don't find particularly beautiful doesn't make me very happy, but I'm also not done yet. And somebody's decided to turn the TV up. Okay, so now I think black is the only thing I'm missing. And I'm going to finish up with a little more gold. I know these colors will mix. Oh, wait. There's my secret ingredient. I took a little bit of orange and mixed it with a little bit of gold and some other stuff I had. Use my spatula. I'm thinking I'd love to just try and pour this right on. I'm hoping it's light enough. I'll wipe my tool off. May also be the thing I wipe that painting off with in a minute. But you won't see that, so it doesn't matter. Alright, I'm going to take my little tool, which used to be a skewer. I know there's plenty of silicone in the bottom there. Not particularly caring for those colors, so I'm going to do something else. What else have we got here? And it occurs to me I may not use any of that if I don't like it. So, where's my spoon? Here's my little spoon. So I am going to do something really strange. And I'm going to take these colors, put them right there, tip them forward, tip them over, tip them back, find an edge catcher. That'll work. See, by using the edge catcher, I salvage the paint that would have run off. I'm also thinking I could definitely benefit from using my palette knife. And I'm kind of liking what's happening there. I'm a little surprised about that, actually, to tell you the truth. I don't mind if I get something a little muddy. That's what happens when you use that silver gray. Not my favorite thing. A little more tipping. Let's just move that design around. I'm not even in front of the camera anymore. Okay. I'll let that go back. I suppose if I was willing to let that dry for a while, I I could go in from the other side. But since I have plenty of paint left, I think I'm just going to keep experimenting because I can, and I am that way. Use my edge catcher again. Run it right down. Looks like maybe the palette knife. I'm actually not unhappy with that. That's there's a revelation. Not that I'm really very often unhappy with what I do. I'm usually pretty happy with it, but I'm liking what just happened there. The colors mixed, blended pretty well. I think I'm going to find my spatula, she said optimistically. I guess I'll use a different spatula. And take the paint off of that. I don't know if I should really add anything else there or not. If I don't like it, I guess I can always rinse it off like I said I would, but I'm liking that. So, success. And cells, which must mean it's time to torch. And I'll show you. But that looks kind of natural for a desert scene, sort of desert colors. I didn't know how that was going to work. It was worth the risk. Ooh, look at that. Silicone's working very nicely today. We got all kinds of cool pebbles and little tiny cells popping right up. My edges are covered from that edge catcher. I'm hoping I focused before I started to shoot this. I suppose I could go up there again and try. No, I'm not sure where center is. I'm gonna climb up and check it out. Yep, you guys got it. Okay, have a great day. Part 2 over.